Hello viewers, today we are talking about Balthasar Klossky de Rola, more commonly known as Balthus Vaza, enigmatic and controversial Polish French modern artist whose work continues to captivate and intrigue art worldwide, renowned for his provocative and erotically charged depiction of Pepsin girl. Balthus was a unique figure in the art world, resisting conventional norms and expectational while creating a body of work that is characterized by his refined, dreamlike quality. Balthus was born on February 29, 1908 in Paris, France, into an artistic and intellectual family. His father, Eric Klossky, was a noted art historian, and his mother, Elizabeth Spiro, was a painter. This early exposure to the world of art and culture played a significant role in shaping Balthus' creative sensibilities. At a young age, Balthus showed a strong inclination towards art and quickly developed his skill as a painter. He received formal art training at the Academia Renaissance in Paris, where he was influenced by the work of classical painters and the contemporary avant-garde. His early work demonstrated a fascination with traditional techniques, and he began to develop a unique and highly individualistic style. One of the defining characteristics of Balthus' art was his fixation on the theme of adolescent girl. His portrayal of young, often seductive female subjects lead to significant controversy throughout his career. While some viewed his work as a celebration of youthful beauty and innocence, others characterized it for its overtly erotic undertone. Balthus' paintings have been described as both provocative and disturbing, and they continue to spark debate about the boundaries between art and tourism. Despite the controversies surrounding his choice of subject matter, Balthus' technical mastery and meticulous attention to detail were widely acknowledged. His paintings are known for their precise draftsmanship, careful composition, and the use of light and shadow to create an atmosphere that is both alluring and mysterious. His work is often imbued with a sense of quiet tension as a capturing of fleeting and animatic moment in time. Balthus' career can be divided into several distinct periods, each marked by different influence and artistic developments. During the 1930s, he produced some of his most famous works, including The King of Cars and The Guitar Lesson. Balthus passed away on February 18, 2001, leaving behind a body of work that continues to the celebrated and questioned by art scholars and the general public. His legacy as a non-conformist and a masterful painter endures, reminding us for the complete interplay between beauty and the boundaries of art in the modern world. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel and sharing this video.